34. I'm just hoping I get them all right so I don't have to go back and redo any of the videos. It's a lot of problems to do, but it's good. The more you do, the more you understand. And the goal is that you remember this stuff if you should ever need it in the future. And this stuff actually is, because it deals with classification, categorizing, those kind of things. Let's see. So we got 100 riders from several countries. I'm going to underline that number, 100. Participating bicycle race. Only 80 riders, including Joe and Philippe, finished the race. Joe finished 5th and Philippe was the winner. Oh, that's good. Maybe hope. I don't know if they're friends or not. All the riders' countries of origin and finishing times were recorded on the race register. No two riders who finished had the same time, and those who did not finish were not recorded, or were recorded as DNF, did not finish. Based on this information, determine if each set is well defined. The set of riders who finished the race ahead of Joe. Joe finished 5th. So we know Joe finished 5th, and we know that, so the ones that finished ahead of him would be 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. The origin finishing times were recorded on the race register. And okay, so it's well defined. We can look at the times, and anyone who had a time less than Joe would be one of these riders. So yeah, that's well defined. We could look it up in the list. That's what it means to be well defined. We'd be able to just go there, look it up, and be able to. The set of riders from beautiful countries. Hey, every country is beautiful, but some people don't think that way. So it's not well defined, because what's beautiful to one person might not be to another, unfortunately. The set of riders who finished far from Philippe. Far from Philippe. Well, we could finish. I mean, we could say who had times much greater than Philippe, but we don't know this far. What do you mean by far? Is it 5 minutes behind him? Is it 10 minutes? It's not well defined. No. You got to give us more. The set of riders from colder countries. Colder than what? Now, you could say cold countries, I guess, but most cold countries are also warm sometimes, at least in the summer. This is not well defined, especially colder than what? That's not well defined. The set of American riders who started and finished the race. Well, all their countries are recorded, especially for those who finished the race. Yeah, as long as they finished the race. Those who did not finish were recorded simply as DNF. So we don't know if we got their countries or not. Oh, wait. So here we are. Started all the American riders who started and finished the race. So they had to do both. They had to do both of it. And if they finished the race, they had their country of origin marked down. So any of those who do not finish, any Americans who did not finish, that's not what this is talking about. This is well defined. Okay, we could make a list. We could make a set of the American riders who both started and finished the race, because that would be on the list. Okay, very good. We're down. Let's see here. Pull this down. I think this was 34, wasn't it? 34. Well, let's go up. Yes, we got one more left. So we'll pause this and move on to 35.